If you need help with picking your colors for your blog, for your content, or for your brand in general, these are some things that I'm currently doing and some websites that can help you pick your brand colors pretty easily. First website is going to be coolers.co. Basically, it's a color palette generator, so it's really easy to use. You just click start the generator. It shows you all of these. Basically, it'll give you a tutorial, but you can hit the space bar and it just changes the colors. And let's say you want to lock in the color, like you like this color right here, you're going to lock it in. And so anytime you change it, you can keep that same color. So let's say you like this one, and it can keep switching it up until it finds a color that you like. And you can sign up for a free account and it'll save the color. And the second way to help you pick like colors for your brand is something called imagecolorpicker.com. So I actually had an image that I wanted to take the colors out of and get the hex codes for. So it's really easy because you can upload a photo and it'll show you the hex codes here. Just go over here and use your image and upload it. I'm just going to use my logo really quick to show you how this works. And so it came up with a color palette for me. So these are two of the websites that you can use to help you pick colors for your brand. If that was helpful, make sure to follow my channel.